Here's how to add someone to Facebook Ads Manager. So first of all, go to your Facebook Ads Manager. Once you are in your Facebook Ads Manager, make sure you have signed in using the exact Facebook account and you have selected your exact ads account or business portfolios. Now in this left hand menu, you have to click on this add account settings icon. In here, you have to click on this add people button and now enter a friend name whom you want to add to your ads account. Select the account and now click here and select a role for the account. You can add account admin from here. You can add account advertiser. You can add account analyst. So just go ahead and choose any of the role from here and finally click on confirm. And here we can see this account has been added to your ad account. So that's how you can actually add someone in our ad account. Thanks for watching.